So in this video we are going to learn about creating a simple web page with various server controls to demonstrate setting and use of their properties. So here first of all we create one project, give name to our project. So after that select empty and create. It is by default selected, so it will take some time for creating. After that you have to add one web page here, so click on add new items, then web form. So our web form will be added. So after that go to design section and take file labels. So after taking these file labels we have to take two text boxes. So take two text boxes here. So after that we want one radio button. We have two options for radio button list and radio button, but using that radio button list it will display our radio buttons vertically, but we want horizontally. For that we take separate radio buttons here. So after taking this radio button we will change this radio button text as FY. Then change second radio button text SY, and if these properties option are not visible to you, you can click on that right click on that radio button and select properties option. So we give name to our radio buttons. After that we have to give one group name for all these radio buttons, so that only one radio button will be selected. So you can give any group name here. We give it as choice. After that we want one drop down list, but first of all set all this radio button auto post back as true. After that we will take one drop down list here, go to edit items, click on add option and add whatever content or list you have you want to display to user. So first of all we take one BSc then BSc CS. So here we give courses list, so according to that user will choose. When we enter text it will automatically set value also and enable auto post back here. So after that we want one button, then set button text as submit, then change this label text. You can create your web form according to your choice. where you want all these elements to be placed. So change first label text as roll number. Then click on second label and change its text student name. Then for third label it is class. Then we will give this label text as course. And the last label we want empty, so whatever content we have to display to user, it will display in this fifth label. Double click on this button, so you will get this inbuilt code. Write this code in this button one click. So after writing this, go to web form and click on this drop down list. So here you can see events option. So in this selected index change, you have to write drop down list 1 selected index changed. So after that, double click on this. So here you have to type one line for label 5, so that content will be displayed in your web form. So you can see here drop down list 1 selected index change. This is the name given here. So after that, this is design you have created. Simply run your program, then you will get this output. Type one roll number, your name, select your class, and when you select course it will display course, but when you submit it, it will also display class.